up, everybody? Thanks for joining me again. Woo, it's a hot one here. We are getting back at it on the Ram project here, so we are getting into the valve covers now. So as you can see, we got good ways into getting the engine installed. I'm currently working on getting the flex plate bolts bolted up there, and then yeah, gonna put the valve covers on this bad boy. Gonna do exhaust manifolds, a whole bunch of other stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Lots of goodies to come. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know again what you want to see in the comments. And yeah, thanks for joining me. So without any further ado, we're gonna get to it. Get you set up here and we'll rock and roll. New valve covers. Woo! Valve covers together for you. Getting ready. Yeah, so these are the ones I got. So upgraded style. They are all aluminum, no plastic. Haha. So much better. I figure if I'm gonna buy them, I might as well buy the ones from 1A Auto. They are the only place I could find that had them, at least for the price I was trying to pay, because you could pay like $400 or something for brand new OEM ones if you really want to. I'd rather just go with these. Give it the blue theme. Be right back. That's right. Instead of the black one, I'm gonna go with blue one. These look like better ones anyway. Cool. So gaskets, these are these. Heck yeah. Okay, let's check the other side here. So much better. The old ones were all cracked. They had cracks all along right here. Cracks right here. Falling apart. And then if hard as these won't show up, but the whole flat part was actually warped. So it was kind of like folded in on itself. It actually started to tack a little bit. I'll hold it. Yeah, look at that. A nice, I don't know, get the side profile for you there. You see that nice hint of blue there? Yeah, it's doing really well. I like it. And then we need bolts. Came with a bag of bolts, so I do the bag of bolts. I think I have blue ones in these. Make it more blue. Alright, 2 to come. I like these. They're really high quality. I didn't expect that, honestly. Like, I didn't expect the paint job. It's nice stuff. That'll cover it. Alright, let's take this, put that in the car. I'm gonna look someplace. Alright, we're gonna call that good for now because we're gonna come back and torque everything down properly. So it looks pretty good. We'll do from my perspective here. A little bit dark, but yeah, I like it. So yeah, come back, stay tuned. We're gonna get into. I'm gonna torque these down. That's kind of tedious, but I won't bore you with the tedium on that. But yeah, come back and rejoin us. Button up a couple other things. And yeah, we'll bring you back for like the intake and stuff like that, so all the major components. So yeah, thanks for joining us. Again, if you made it this far, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. It really helps us out. We're growing channel. And yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for joining me for this one.